Me and my mom decided to come to the sauna and just have girls time together pretty much. And for 70 manats, and I'm gonna write in comments how much it's gonna be in US dollars. We got to enjoy everything, slippers, and then I'll show you what else they have inside. So pretty much for 70 manats, you get all of this pool, and there are some saunas in there, and this gorgeous, stunning view. We're in the room called the Salt Cave, and I would assume the wall is made of the salt crystals, but honestly I've got no clue what this room is helpful for. It's your traditional Russian hammam or Russian sauna, and it has very nice timer. You guys, the pool that we went to has a view that is just something unreal. This is Ashgabat, my white marble town, and this is what you get to swim with for only 70 manats. Just right on the foothills of the beautiful Köpekdag Mountains with all the white marble buildings. Welcome to Ashgabat. Just like this, and that's the view. You also get a gym right here. You can hear me, but there is another pool right here. And the view is just like this. And then the pool itself is pretty big too. And they have hot and cold saunas right there. Pretty much at night the city looks like this. And it could definitely remind you of Las Vegas too. All sparkly and shiny on the Köpekdag Mountain foothills. In case you wonder, that building right there is the place you go to get married, or wedding palace, how we call it, and that is just the new hotel right next to it. You guys, this day has been so much fun. I definitely enjoyed this visit. It was pretty pleasant. And I've spent about, 5 hours with my mom, so that was amazing to say the least. And whenever you're in Ashgabat, make sure to check this hotel out. Their saunas and pools are pretty nice, and I think you could definitely enjoy this too. So, goodbye for today from my salt room. Isn't it pretty though? So this is the lobby of the hotel that we went to, and it looks very nice, all shiny and bright. And those 5 patterns that you can see right there are the 5 ornaments that are very traditional to all 5 major tribes of Turkmens.